guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got 왜 그러냐? I've got Chan with me. Seokchan has like a certain style, right? Which is very sexy. But I like that about him. I like people that have like a certain look that they always like their signature look. But I thought it would be interesting to give him a kind of style, not makeover, but just like try something different. So I mean, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna eat first though because I just had one egg and instant rice this morning and I'm starving, so. You guys, it's getting too fucking lit in here. The party is just getting started. 저기요. We're back at home. 끝났어. Thank you so much for watching. It's the final look. 머리부터 발끝까지 hot issue. 사실 이거는 잘하는 쪽이야. I don't know what I'm doing. 우선이죠. Usually you have to cut your hair, like the back, because your back is too long.
Yeah.
So 해볼게요.
Let's do it.
개웃겨.
이런 건 어디서 배웠어?
셀프로.
하다 보니까.
Yeah. I know I've seen a lot of people try and do like iron style where it's like this, but what they do is they take the flat iron and try to like curve it this way. 근데 not like that, but you should take the hair and do it just straight down. 이렇게? And then 손으로 move it the way you want it. Because if you try to curve the 고데기, it would just look weird. 그리고 반대쪽 하면은 어렵잖아. 그치?
그래서 내가 항상 그렇게 하다가 머리를 다시 감았지.
Right. Like one side looks good, but the other side looks like shit. You don't have a lot of hair, so 거의 다 했어. When you do the middle, the 가운데 hair, just kind of down. Because if you do it 완전 like 이렇게, it will look weird. What shampoo do you use?
I don't know.
개웃겨. 몰라? 진짜 좋아.
This is my skin
그래?
smell.
아닌데? Look at your hair. I like to just pull it down so it looks more 자연스러워. 완전 이렇게 하면은 you look like a Beethoven. Your hair is super thin. 그래서 I don't like to use wax on thin hair because it falls really easily. 그래서 I use hairspray. Gillette skincare 했어? 잘했어. Stress serum. Just to wipe off the dust on your face. 근데 I feel like your skin is really good. 근데 문제가 you fucking sweating.
Yeah.
You sweat so much. So 여름에 it must be really bad.
죽어.
Oh my god. What about when you're in the army?
죽을 뻔했어.
Or I notice a lot of guys, it like goes down, so you kind of look sad. Don't worry, I'm sad too. Relax your forehead. Look at me. Ah, that's what it is.
Right.
When you open your eyes, you use your eyebrows to open. See, close, and then open. See. Now his skin, it's a little bit like red, just a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is gonna mix a green primer with this glow cream from Sonepar because this is a lot lighter and thinner, so it will make the green primer a little bit more easy to spread, like my legs. A little bit of cushion. Because we use that green, I can use even less of this. I love how I'm doing this on the side that the camera can't see. I bought this powder from Etude. It's this new line that they have of like these, it's like a brush at the top with like a powder at the bottom. I bought the setting powder and the highlighter. Try this to like shake it. 이건 좋아. A+ from Edward Avila. It is a little hard to control the product that comes out, but I will say it's really freaking good for oily skin because it's almost a dry powder. It's like an HD powder, so it's really convenient for touch-ups because of the device. I'm gonna use the highlighter. It's really, really, really natural looking, so you're not like you can almost like not see it. Let me see if I can. You can kind of just put it everywhere, but it doesn't look like too much. I want to contour his face. Chan is a boy. I'm just trying to put some color on the side to make him look more manly by putting more makeup on. I actually still haven't done your eyebrows. I should do your eyebrows now. Now, his hair is going to be down, so I don't need to do this, but I want to show it on camera. If we did do an up hairstyle, is I got this hair powder. I don't use these a lot, but I just bought it. You can see he kind of has the M shape starting, so what you can do is you can take a powder like this and fill it in here. Compared to this side. Ooh. Now, of course, it doesn't matter because his hair is going to be down anyway, so whatever. And then for his lips, I want something natural. Naked Face has this new lip tox shit that makes your lips pink, but also plumps them at the same time. 아플 수도 있어 이거.
응?
플럼핑 에펙트 있어서. 아이고 하지마.
뭐 후끈후끈해.
그치. What is this? Wow, I'm such a good makeup artist. Anyway, he's gonna go change into his clothes now, so 갔다 와.
Okay.
You look fucking hot. 아니 근데 너 애인 없지? Oh, you can see him in there. That is like the worst background. 여기로 와. Ooh. Please ignore my dirty house. You see all that shit. 괜찮다. 근데 he can't breathe. That's our extra small. 미치. 이건 좋아. 포인트 이거.
이거? 이거.
I have the black version. 근데 when I wore it to the event, 이거 없어졌어. I lost it. 어때?
마음에 드는데.
이거 처음이야? 이런 스타일?
유치원 때?
유치원?
그때는 해봤겠지. 근데 내가 혼자 이제 옷 입을 때는 안 해봤지.
Anyway, what now? Good?
나
끝이야?
See you.
뭐? 아니.
야.
Yeah. Oh my. Looks even better with a leather jacket. You say he was too shy to go. Where?
한 번도 안 해본 스타일.
한 번도 안 해봤다고? You haven't tried going outside with different clothes?
Yeah. I mean, you make my style, but I always choose my style myself.
그래서.
Let's go.
Is your brother working right now?
Yeah, maybe.
We should go see. 가보자. Okay, so his brother has, and we can promote his kogi chip, which is actually pretty fucking delicious. Your brother opened it, right?
My brother and
his
brother,
friend?
both
Oh,
together.
I see. His brother and his brother's boss opened a Chejudo kogi chip.
Yeah.
So the meat is from Chejudo. Well, honestly, I didn't think there was a difference. 근데 I tried that shit. A+. So if you like K barbecue and you want to try somewhere new, you can go there. So we'll go there. Because your brother hasn't seen you in something like this, right?
Yeah.
Your brother dresses like this.
Yeah.
그치? 약간 he just wears suits.
Like salesman.
회사원?
Yeah.
웃겨.
아 이사님이랑 같이.
Chan. You look like you live here now in Shinsa. 그치? 어머, 마음에 드나봐. 네.
Japanese style.
Japanese ira. This is Chan's brother.
Hi.
Do you think they look alike? A little bit. 어때요?
1 billion.
어때요?
되게 약간 이건 추워서 약간
Cute?
with makeup, right?
조금? It's 몇 시지? It's only like 11? 12? Oh my god, it's like 4 in the fucking morning. Apparently, his shoes hurt. My shoes hurt so much. Apparently, it feels a lot better just walking barefoot, but I digress.